My name is Amanda Zito. I'm an Inland Empire Realtor. I serve the area of San Bernardino and Riverside counties here in California. You want somebody who's going to protect you, who is going to make sure that all the bases are covered, that you're not missing anything. Every dollar is taken off of that table and put into your pocket. And when choosing a representative to help you buy your first home, it's so important. That's number one. It's not getting online and searching for homes. It's not looking at that perfect kitchen. It's not. It's finding a professional who understands your goals, your needs, your desires, and your wants. That professional who can listen to you, interpret what you're saying, and turn that into a reality.